Tired of fumbling in the dark on your Minecraft adventures? Get ready to banish the shadows forever and illuminate your world beyond imagination. Today, we're diving into how to achieve FullBright in Minecraft, a technique that lets you see absolutely everything, no matter how dark. First up, the simplest method for those who love a bit of in-game power commands. Simply open your chat window. You'll need to type in a specific command that tells the game to crank up the brightness to its maximum. Once you enter it correctly, watch as your entire world transforms from gloomy to glorious, revealing every hidden corner and lurking mob. But what if you prefer not to use commands, or want a more consistent, game-wide setting? That's where resource packs come in. Resource packs can alter many aspects of Minecraft's visuals, including lighting. You'll need to find a specific FullBright resource pack online. There are many available, usually from trusted Minecraft community sites. Download the pack, and then navigate to your Minecraft resource pack folder. Drag and drop the downloaded resource pack into this folder. Now, go back into Minecraft, open your options, then resource packs, and select your newly added FullBright pack. Activate it, and just like that, your lighting will be permanently boosted. For those who want even more control and advanced visual modifications, mods are your next stop. Mods can fundamentally change how Minecraft works, and a common type for FullBright functions by directly altering the game's rendering engine. You'll need to install a mod loader like Forge or Fabric first, depending on the mod you choose. Then, find a compatible FullBright mod, download the mod file and place it into your Minecraft mods folder, which is created when you install the mod loader. Once the mod is installed and loaded with Minecraft, you might have additional settings within the game under a mods menu to fine-tune your FullBright experience, or even combine it with other visual enhancements. Now go forth and explore every nook and cranny of your Minecraft world with unparalleled clarity.